Hello to you, I'm Jesse R. Johnson. I'm going to speak to you today about flat Earth, false heliocentric model, astronomy, a question to every human. It's going to rain today, that's why it's a little bit dark. The surface of the Earth we live on is in fact flat. The truth has been coming in truckloads. It's impossible to know the truth of this world if you cannot accept the truth that the Earth is simply flat by your own experience. Empty arguments of words won't work. Testing, experience, and experiment will work. The human eyes have the strength of 1x magnifying power. There are two general ways in which a thing looks small to us. One, because it is physically much smaller than our physical body. Number two, because it is physically at a far or very far distance away from us. In each case, you need a way to magnify the thing or process to see it. If it's physically small, like a dot, then a magnifying glass or a microscope is needed. If it's far distant, a telescopic zoom lens camera or telescope is needed. Magnifying glasses and microscopes go from 2x to several hundred millions x. Zoom lens cameras and telescopes go from 2x to several hundred millions x. In the case of astronomy and stars, I have a question to and for every astronomer, professional, amateur, and would-be, wannabe astronomer as well, and to the whole human race in general. Our unaided eyes see only 1x power magnification of the objects in the sky and everything else. Even if you have 20/20 vision, it's still 1x power. Beyond 1x, after a certain physical smallness is reached, whether it's a dot on a paper or far, far away in the sky, you need an aid to see it. Microscope or telescope. At night in the country, as in contrast to the city that's filled with light, you see thousands of stars. How is it possible to see at all any stars that are so-called light years away with the unaided eyes? In other words, the sun is supposed to be a star. It's not. It's supposed to be 93 million miles away. It's not. It would be 10x smaller to the unaided eyes if it was 930 million miles away, or 10x times 93 million, because our eyes are only 1x powerful magnification, which means its brilliant shine would also be reduced by that much. A light year is approximately 5.9 trillion, that's with a T like Tom, 5.9 trillion miles of straight line distance. This means that if the sun is 1 trillion miles away, that would be 10x times 1,000. Since it's 1,000 billions in 1 trillion, that means it would be 10x times 1,000, which equals 10,000x in smallness to our unaided eyes. And if it's 1 light year away, it would be 10,000x times 5.9, which equals 59,000x smallness to our unaided eyes. How can you see something, anything, whatever it is, that is at 59,000x in smallness? Microscopic or telescopic with the unaided naked eyes. And then we've been told that the Centauri star system is supposed to be the next closest star to us at 4.3 light years, or approximately 25 trillion, that's a T, such as in Tom, 25 trillion miles away. So that 59,000x times 4.3 equals 253,700x magnification. The heliocentric model is 100% false. a lie since it's intentionally used against us. The sky would be jet black with 100% nothing seeable with unaided eyes, since other stars are supposedly even further away. The heliocentric model of spherical Earth, planets, solar systems, galaxies, etc. do not exist. I do not believe in slavery, so-called white man, physical body slavery, or mental mind slavery. Two different things, two different forms of slavery. Enslaving the whole human race as slaves in a new world order, white man as master controlled, isn't going to happen anytime soon. Those who say the earth is flat, and that includes all and every human regardless, have the truth. All others are in prison. The prison will not last too much longer. The base and foundational lie has been found. I'm Jesse Johnson, and I want everyone to understand and have a good day.